Binance Launchpad. Earn Renzo Protocol tokens by staking BNB or FDUSD. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joy. In this day, I have to share with you this opportunity. If you have a Binance account, this is a new Launchpad in Binance, so you can earn the Renzo Protocol if you have a BNB in your Binance account, no? So you have to dig deeper what is the Renzo Protocol on how you can join or participate in this Launchpad in Binance. Remember, every Launchpad in Binance, after the Launchpad, if the token are listed in Binance, of course the big increase in value. So you have to try this Launchpad if you have a Binance account, no? Okay, so credit to Coin Codex for this blog, no? So Binance Launchpad, RIS or Renzo Protocol. So the leading cryptocurrency exchange Binance, they announced that they will listed on the Launchpad the Renzo as the next project feature under Binance Launchpad staking platform, no? Then the range until April 30, no? So according to this blog, you can earn Renzo or RIS tokens on Binance simply by staking your BNB or the FDUSD stablecoin. You can withdraw the coins you stake at any time and keep the RIS token rewards, no? So between April 24 up to April 29, so the amount of token rewards you will earn depend on how many coins you stake. So if you have a lot of Binance token, so you can stake, no? So Binance plans to distribute 2.5% of the total RIS token supply to user on Launchpad. So 200 million RIS token out of the total of 10 billion tokens will be staked in the Binance Launchpad, no? Remember, after the Launchpad, the value increase, no? 85% of this reward will be distributed to BNB stakers, while the FDUSD staking pool will receive 15% of the rewards using the FDUSD. So if I want to try this, so I will stick on BNB because I will receive 85% after the Launchpad, no? So it all depends on how big your stake is relative to the size of the entire staking pool. So in addition to featuring the RIS coin on its Launchpad platform, Binance will also listing the token for trading on the Binance exchange. So the starting date available for trading is on April 30 at the 12 noon UTC, and trading pairs against BTC, USDT, BNB, FDUSD, and TRY. So it is worth noting that Binance will be listing RIS with a seed tag, which is used to label crypto projects that are still very early in their development. Cryptocurrencies with this tag were previously known in the innovation zone. So before innovation zone, now seed tag. The purpose of the seed tag is to let users know the cryptocurrency might be more volatile and risky compared to those more crypto listed on Binance. Of course, remember, those tokens that are new in Binance or listed in Binance, of course they are volatile, and so of course my video is not for financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for sharing, for information drive. So invest what you can afford to lose, research more before investing in this new token, no? So what is Renzo or RIS? Renzo, this is the ticker, no? Renzo is a liquid restaking protocol that aims to provide an easy use interface to the EigenLayer ecosystem. Renzo can be used by ETH holders or the Ethereum holders to earn higher yields compared to simply staking it. Users can deposit ETH or liquid staking tokens, for example, Lido is the it to receive the equivalent amount of EigenLayer tokens. So, if you stake on Renzo using the Ethereum, so the return is higher than staking the Ethereum, no? So the EigenLayer is reward bearing token that reflects the rewards earned from decentralized service that use a EigenLayer for economic security. The Renzo Protocol uses smart contracts and operator nodes to automatically identify the risk taking strategy with the best risk reward ratio on the behalf of its users, no? Smart contracts, operator nodes, no? So to identify the, of course, the percentage of risk taking in any rewards. Of course, remember there is always a risk in any cryptocurrencies, especially if that crypto or token is new to the Binance or any centralized exchange, no? The Renzo Protocol also has the utility and governance token called RES. This is the token that users will be able to earn on Binance Launchpad. So the total supply of RES is 10 billion. So this is the percentage, the distributed percentage on the RES token. So investor and advisor 31.56%, the DAO treasury 20%, the team 20%, foundation 13.44%, airdrop 10%, only 10% airdrop after the launch poll. Liquidity 2.5, then Binance launch poll is 2.5, only 2.5. And so to earn RES token on Binance launch poll, of course, if you don't have a Binance yet account, so you can create a Binance account, then try to stick on Binance. Okay, I will put my Binance link so that you will click the link and try to create account, then invest on this Binance launch pool. Okay, so then remember, keep in mind that only users can complete the verification or the KYC. So those user who are already KYC approved, so will participate in RES token farming on Binance Launchpad. So if you're new to Binance account or if you don't have any Binance account, so in my link you can click, then create, of course, apply for KYC. Then after you pass the KYC, you can stick the BNB and if the USD for staking, and after the staking you will earn the RES token, no? So this is in how to locate the Launchpad or Launchpool in Binance account, no? So if your account is verified, loaded with NBM and AVSs, so you can go to the menu of the Binance interface, select more, then you can go to Launchpad and Launchpool, then find the available Renzo farming pools depending on which token you can stake. So you can only to select the TOEFL, the USD and the BNB pool. Just follow the instruction provided by the account. So if you don't have account, just click my link. Okay, so this is what the pool pictured, the picture of the one. So starting date April 24, then the end is April 29. This is the BNB pool 35 million, then FDSD is 6 million. So listing date is April 30. Remember, any token launch in Binance, especially in Launchpool, after the listing, the price is really increase to 10% to 100%. So you have to try this, but always remember, this is only for educational purpose, not a financial advice. So invest what you can afford to lose. Always research before investing in any new token or meme token. Okay, I hope you have the idea on the new token Launchpool in Binance, no? So always remember, invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my new channel, Crypto Joel, then hit the notification bell so that you will always notify on whatever my new video posted in my YouTube channel. Remember, this is for educational purpose only, not a financial advice. Good day to all.